Hello, my name is Nadia Treadwell and my major is marketing. So today I will be showing you how to create a beautiful pivot chart on Excel. First, you're going to start by clicking anywhere on the spreadsheet and moving your mouse up to the top ribbon and clicking Insert. Once this is done, click on the left-hand side that says Pivot Table. We next want to make sure that the range of the table is correct and that we create a new worksheet and not existing. Then press OK. For the next step, it is important that we filter the table correctly. Next, you want to go to the box that reads Field Name, click on Retailer Country, and drag that down to the box that reads Columns. Next, you want to find Product Type and drag that to the box that reads Rows. Next, you want to find Quantity under Field Name and drag that to the box that reads E-Values. We also want to find gross margin and drag that also under the E-Values box. Next, click on the little I symbol beside sum of quantity. We want to click on average and then also go to number. Click on number again and make sure the decimal places is set to 2 decimal places and then press OK. And you want to do the same thing with sum of gross margin, average, number again, and make sure it's 2 decimal places and OK. Now we want to filter column label, so click on that little down arrow and click the checkbox and select all. And now we're going to scroll down and find Denmark and click that box and scroll down and find Mexico and then click that box. And then that is it. That column is now filtered to only show Denmark and Mexico. Now we want to go to the ribbon that says Insert and find the combination chart, which has 2 different things in the icon, and click on that. We're going to make a custom combination chart. And when you click on that, you're going to want to click on the first chart you see. First, we're going to go to Denmark average of quantity. Left click on that. Go to change chart type, and we're going to change that data to column, a clustered column. And then we're going to also go back and left click on that and go to format data series, and we're going to make sure that that is a secondary axis and not a primary. Next, we go to Denmark average of gross margin, and we're going to change that chart type to a regular 2D line chart, and we're going to go back and left click on that, and we're going to change or make sure that that is a primary axis. And then for the next 2, we're just going to do the same thing. And so here is what your finished custom combination chart should look like if you followed my steps correctly. And now you're just going to save it and you're all done. Thank you.